Everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Before we get started though, I just wanted to give a shout out to Mike. Actually, I ran into Mike today out taking pictures this morning, and it took me by surprise. It's the first time someone has actually recognized me out in the wild from my YouTube channel. So thanks, Mike. Thanks for saying hi. Hopefully you are still enjoying the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a few pictures. Haven't been really motivated. I think it has to do with winter and just everything that's going on in the world. But it finally seems to now, we've had a cold spring, but we seem to finally now have the weather hopefully changing a little bit, be a little bit more advantageous to get out there and take some pictures. So I still wanted to share some pictures with everybody. I haven't stopped taking pictures this last little while. Just been, not posting as many on Instagram on this YouTube channel, but had the opportunity. I've done a couple of day trips. I've done a little bit of camping when the weather's been okay. So a couple of pictures from in the forest when I was there. Hopefully you like these ones. Just kind of a mixture of a whole bunch of everything from the last month that I have been out taking pictures. All these are with the X100v, of course. That's my go-to camera lately. And they're just all JPEGs out of the straight out of the camera, and basically just using the built-in film simulation. There's a few in there, classic chrome, just a whole mixture of stuff, just a whole different bunch of pictures. Hopefully you enjoy them. I enjoyed taking them. It was nice. It's always nice to get outside and take a few pictures. Even if you don't get anything super special, it's nice just to get out, take a walk, and enjoy the day taking pictures. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know how you like these. All right, hopefully you enjoyed those photos. Let me know again down in the comments below. It's always appreciated if you have any favorites. My favorites were the ones, a couple in the forest with the light coming through. Those were a couple of my favorite ones of the batch. But always let me know down in the comments. Always nice to appreciate it. Hopefully you have a chance now that it is getting in towards spring and the flowers are getting out and the days are getting longer. Hopefully you all have a chance to go out and take more pictures. I know I am hoping to have more time to take some pictures, and I will be sharing more with you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.